Welcome to my video showing you around my Radisson Blu Arc 1950 La Village hotel. This is the Source de Marie apartment, and as you can see it's quite traditional, but there is a great little kitchen that you've got there which quite honestly has absolutely everything you could possibly want. So first and foremost, it has like a little espresso machine. Don't get pods with that, you'll have to bring those with you. Microwave, and then in the cupboards you have literally every single kind of plate, glass, anything you could possibly think you might need, it is in those cupboards, which is amazing. Obviously you've got your other utensils for cooking, so knives, spoons, etc. A bin underneath the sink and a draining tray for washing up, a kettle and chopping board with all the manuals there, and then a toaster as well. On the other side, obviously you've got your hob and you've got a dishwasher underneath, the extractor fan, and then you've also got sort of bowls and whatnot to cook with, along with pots, pans and a grater. The oven actually looked pretty much brand new, either that or they cleaned it very well, but yeah, it was fantastic. And obviously you've got your fridge and a small freezer, but if you're away on holiday you don't tend to need the freezer anyway, but you've got absolutely everything you could possibly need. Storage in this place was great. So this is the first cupboard in the main entrance area where you've got your vacuum cleaner, suitcase holder, obviously iron, etc., and then some extra bedding. Little table for 4 with some shelving to the left, and then that was some cutlery that they'd left in there. So you've got plenty. Honestly, you've just got so much storage, it's fantastic. Then obviously this is all in the same room, so like a bit like a studio where you have your TV and lounge area. The sofa actually doubles up as a sofa bed as well, which is great. So you've obviously got your main bedroom, which I'll show you in a second, and then you've got a sofa bed as well, so you could actually have a few people stay in here. And you've got a nice little balcony. I think I'm just making sure I don't trip over there, but you've got a nice little balcony with just a seating bit, but looking out is fantastic. It looks like something out of a Disney film just because of how cute the little village is, and then obviously when it's nice weather you can see up to the mountains. Just trying not to trip over the step there. Phone to reception. As I say, you've got your table there, and from where the kitchen and lounge area is, you have your bathroom where you've got a shower and a bath as well. You've obviously got all your towels you could possibly need. Shower was actually pretty good, I was quite impressed with that. Sometimes they can be a bit hit and miss, but that was great. You also get products. This Works is sort of renowned, something that Radisson have across the world as far as I'm aware. You obviously got your hairdryer, and before that was a towel rail, so to keep your towels nice and heated. That's a cupboard which I assume is the cleaning cupboard because it's locked. So into the bedroom, we had twin beds, which is probably a nice thing for my husband because I tend to steal the duvet, so that's quite nice for him. But a good size, so you're not crammed, you've got plenty of space around you. There is shelving on the top. You've got 2 cupboards on each side, extra pillows for the pair of us, and a safe, which is great. And notice obviously you can see like there's little lights, so you've got reading lights on each side, so you don't have to main light, as I say, shelving at the top. But then you've also got shelving at the side and handy plugs for charging phones. You've got some dressing gowns as well, which is great. Lots of plugs and a heater for when it's cold in the winter, I'm assuming. Big window to look out over the rest of the village, and again another cupboard. Obviously for hanging things you've also got the cupboard in the kitchen sort of area, and a handy long mirror. Hi, there's me looking good, thanks. So you've also got a separate toilet, which I always think is great, so someone can be in the shower while someone goes to the toilet, always handy, rather than all being in one area. yeah, so that's excuse all my stuff everywhere. Just obviously arrived. So again, another cupboard. I don't know what you would possibly pack to need all this storage space, but you've got the option should you be staying for a while. More drawers, and yeah, so this is what it all looks like. It's decorated nicely, quite traditional. Yeah, it's really good. So obviously you've got your TV there as well, should you need it. I tend to never watch the TV while I go away to these places because there's so much else to do. But obviously you've got your coffee table, another heater there. Yeah, there's my husband. But as you can see, that's how big it is. But yeah, so we stayed here, absolutely loved it. There's a shop where you can get your food from around the corner, and you've got restaurants as well, but it's great. So there we go.